Hi everyone, I'm Francis, a doctoral student at the Institute of Physics, University of Tartu. In this video, I'll present our recent research work on array beam-driven computational imaging through thin scattering layer, which is published in Results in Optics journal. This research work solves the problem of imaging through scattering media using structured light by utilizing an array beam. In the study, we present an experimental approach that combines array beam with the computational imaging framework to reconstruct the object information after propagation through a thin scattering layer. For the first time, the experimental investigation was carried out using an array beam for imaging through a thin scattering layer under illumination characterized by temporal coherence and spatial incoherence. The array beam offers unique characteristics such as enhanced radiant intensity, dynamic wavefront steering, tunable spatial coherence, and suppressed diffraction broadening, making them promising for computational imaging in scattering environments. Here, invasive imaging approach was opted, wherein both the point spread hologram and the object hologram responses were recorded and processed using Lucey-Richardson-Rosen algorithm. So, two sets of experiments were conducted to perform comparative study. First one imaging without array beam and the next one imaging with array beams, and both were performed in the presence of scatterer of 1500 grid and 600 grid sizes. And the columns 1, 2 and 3 shows the point spread function, object intensity response and the reconstruction results from Lucey-Richardson-Rosen algorithm. This comparative study reveals that the absence of array beams fails to retrieve object information in plane 2, whereas the array beams retrieve the object information effectively across depths, making array beams suitable for imaging through a scattering layer. This work demonstrates a practical approach for imaging through thin scattering layer with potential applications in medical imaging and atmospheric imaging. Do check out the link in the description for the full paper. And huge thank you to Professor Vijay, Professor Rosen, Professor Naresh and Shiva for their invaluable guidance and support throughout this project. Also, I would like to thank the European Union Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme CIPHER for funding this research project. Thank you for watching.